Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I'm going to show you how to make 5 recipes using canned biscuits. That's right, I've got 5 for you today. I am super excited. So the first canned biscuit recipe that I'm going to show you how to make is for a peanut butter and jelly pull-apart loaf. Yes, peanut butter and jelly. There's nothing that goes better together than peanut butter and jelly. And this is perfect for your kids when they get home from school, and it even makes a great breakfast. This is a good one, guys. For this recipe, I will be using the jumbo flaky biscuits. Take each biscuit and pull apart. Then spread some creamy peanut butter over half of the biscuits. And then spread your favorite jelly over the other half. I have lined a loaf pan with some parchment paper. And I'm just going to take these little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches here and place them in my loaf pan. I'm going to pour over 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then sprinkle with about a tablespoon of sugar. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, next is my bubble up breakfast casserole. Cut the biscuits into 6 small pieces. Spray a 9x13 with nonstick spray, and then begin placing the biscuit pieces into your baking dish. You will need 8 eggs and 1 cup of milk. Add some salt and pepper and whisk together. Then pour your egg mixture over your biscuits. I'm using 1/2 pound of sausage that I have cooked until it is browned, but you could also use bacon or ham. I'm sprinkling over top a shredded cheddar cheese blend. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes or until the egg is completely cooked through. And for the next canned biscuit recipe, I'm going to show you how to make pizza bombs. That is right. This is another great one for kids. They love them. And I think adults like them too. Just saying. You will need your canned biscuits, some pepperoni and mozzarella cheese, and then pizza sauce. And then brush over the tops of your pizza bombs some salted melted butter and sprinkle with a little bit of grated Parmesan. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you go, delicious pizza bombs. So for the next canned biscuit recipe, I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorites, and that is garlic Parmesan knots. These are so good. You will fool people with these. I'm just saying. I used to cater, and when I would make these, people would ask me for the recipe. They like thought I made the bread from scratch. I would tell them, well, this is just canned biscuits. And they would be like, what? I'm just saying, these are good, guys. We need a can of jumbo biscuits, a half of a stick of melted butter, to that 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And finally, I'm saving the best for last, guys. Get ready for it. Monkey bread. That's right. Monkey bread. I mean, you can't beat monkey bread. I mean, that is cinnamon, sugar, little dough balls, kind of like a sticky bun situation. Oh yeah, these are good. Cut your biscuits into 6 to 8 small pieces. In a large Ziploc bag, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then simply drop your biscuit pieces in the melted butter. And then drop them into the bag of cinnamon and sugar. Toss until they're all coated and place in a loaf pan that I have lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle the remaining cinnamon sugar over the top. And if you have any leftover butter, you can pour that over the top as well. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes or so till they're completely done. And voila, delicious monkey bread. So those are my 5 canned biscuit recipes. There are so many delicious recipes that you can make using canned biscuits. These are just a few of my favorite, but who knows, maybe I'll put out some more in the future if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a spectacular day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. And for the next canned biscuit recipe, I'm going to make, what was I making? What was next? It was pizza bombs. Pizza bombs. Monkey bread, monkey bread. Stupid fly. Oh my gosh, okay, whatever. Best for life, the best for life. Amazing what comes out of my mouth sometimes. Like, I don't even know. All right.